Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to see chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So first let us draw triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Then show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So let us draw these two triangles first. So we have drawn the two triangle ABC and PQR. Now here it is said ABAC and median AD. AD of a triangle ABC. So here there is a median is there. So let us draw the median also. Median means this line will divide this side equally half. So AD. Same way here PM is the median. So PM. Okay. So we have drawn. So we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what are the things are given to us here? You see AB, AC and median of this triangle is proportional to this sides of the triangle, that is PQ, PR and PM. So what is given to us? First let's write down. So what is given is AB. So this is AB of this triangle ABC. Of next triangle is PQ. That means PQ, this side is proportional. Okay. So that means AB upon PQ is equal to, next is AC, here next is PR. So AC upon PR. So that means AC upon PR, this side, this two side. Then median AD, and here median is PM. So what is given to us? This side, this side, this side, this side, and here the median. Okay, these sides are the proportional. But to prove similarity, both the triangles are similar. What are the options we have? We have either it should be angle, angle, or angle, 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 or side, 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 or side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So these are the options we have. So here already it is given to us that AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, the sides are proportional. The ratios are proportional. That means two sides are already given to us. So then if we get one angle here, if we prove that angle A is equal to angle P, if we prove, then easily we can say that side angle side, side angle side, both the triangles are similar. Okay, so to prove that angle A is equal to angle P, it's a long procedure. Okay, so just have a patience. Easy, but then it is a very lengthy. Okay, it's not that easy to prove that A is equal to P. We need a valid reasons. So let's write down now to prove. So what we have to prove is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is what we have to prove. So for this we have to do some construction such a way that AD, this whatever is the length of AD, that same length we will produce here. Okay, so same length, and then join with C. Same way here also PM we produce same length and then join with R. So this construction we have to do. So that means now this length and this length is same. So this length and this length is same. So let us name this as E and this as N. Okay, and we join with this. Okay, so let us write down construction what we have done. construction, what we have done is producing this AD, right? This is D, AD. So we have produce AD to up to E, such a way we produced where AD will be equal to DE. Okay, AD is equal to DE. Okay, so same way DE, then we join E with C. Okay, this we have done. So same way here also, produce PM to N such that PM is equal to Mn. Okay, Mn. Then join N with R. Is it clear now? So that's our construction. Now let us prove. Okay, prove. So to prove, what we will do, we will take first these two triangle. Okay, these two triangle, or these two triangle. Okay, so in this two triangle ABD, and here you have DCE. These are the two triangle we have. So proof. In triangle ABD and triangle DEC. So between these two triangle, what are the things we have to prove these two triangle first congruent, because if we prove congruent, then we will get the one part of the triangle to prove similar. Okay, so let's see, both this triangle congruent to prove, what are the things we have. So these two are line intersecting each other, so can we say these are vertically opposite angle? So let us name this as angle 1 and this angle 2. Okay, so in this two triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because vertically opposite angle. Okay, opposite angle. This part is over. So now we say that AD, this is equal to DE, this side. These two sides are equal of this triangle. This side is equal to this side, because we only produced AD, we have produced the same measurement. So can we say AD is equal to DE? How? By construction. We only did it, so by construction. Okay, so now this side is over. Then what are the things we have? This one angle is over, one sides are over. Now you see, AD is the median, right? It is said in the question, AD is the median. I told you beginning only, median work is what? If this is median, this line will divide this line into equally half. So that means, so can we say for this triangle this side and for this triangle this side? So both are equal. So can we say BD is equal to DC? This is also because AD is median. Okay, it is given to us. So now what are the things we have? We have two sides, we have angle, we have. You see these two sides we have, these two sides between we have angle. That means side, angle, side, side, angle, side, both become congruent. Okay, so therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle DEC by side, angle, side. So we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So if they are congruent, then can we say AB is equal to CE? These two sides will be congruent, because by CP, CT we can say AB is equal to CE. So therefore AB is equal to CE by CP, CT. This we consider as equation 1. Okay. Now same way we will do with this also. Okay. Here also we will do this triangle and this triangle. Okay. So same reason only we have to give. As we did this, same way you have to do it here also. Okay. So in triangle, that is AQM. Oh, sorry, PQM. PQM and triangle MNR. Okay, both this triangle, angle. Here also, this both will become vertically opposite angle. So if this is 1 and 2, this let us keep 3 and 4. And this side will be of this side same, and this two side will be equal to this side. Okay. So same side angle, side angle, side. So same reason we give. And so both the triangles are congruent. If both are congruent, PQ will be equal to NR. So that's what we are going to write down here. Okay, so angle 3 is equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angle. Then side QM will be equal to MR, because PM is median. And then side PM will be equal to MN by construction. What I explained to you, the same thing. This is by construction. PM is equal to MN by construction. QM is equal to MR, because PM is the median, and so this is equal, and this is vertically opposite angle. Therefore triangle PQM is congruent to triangle MNR by side angle side. So if they are congruent, then this side will be equal to this side by CPCT. So that means PQ will be equal to NR by CPCT. Okay. So let's keep this as equation 2. Okay. Now look at this triangle, these two triangles. See, okay, before turning, I'll show you that what is given to us. You just look at what is given to us. Here, AB upon PQ. Okay, that is AB upon PQ, AC upon PR. AC upon PR is given to us. Okay, so now look at this triangle. So we know AC upon PR. So AC upon PR is given to us. This side is equal. Okay, now AB upon PQ. Just now we have proved that AB is equal to CE. So that way, same way, PQ is equal to RN or NR. Just now we have proved. So that means just look at this triangle this way. Now when you look at this way, okay, so already it is given to us, this side is equal to this side. Okay, this side is equal to this side, and we have proved just now these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So that means this side, already it is given to us that this side of ratio is equal. So now since it is given to us already, and this is equal to this side, this is equal to this side, so can we say this side also is equal? So this side of the sides are also equal. So that means both the side we have got it. So now what is left is in the center. In the center, AD upon PM is given to us. AD upon PM, no? That is median. So median AD upon PM is equal. So now we have produced this line equally the same. So from here, same measure only we had taken here. So that means to get AE upon PN, can we write down 2 times AD, because same measurement only is here is there. So 2 times if we do, this will become this side. Same way, this 2 times if we do, this will become this side. So then can we say that side, both the triangle will become congruent. If both the triangle become congruent, this angle will be equal to this side. So because CPCT. So similarly, we can prove that this side also equal to this side. and therefore we can prove both the triangles are similar. Okay, I hope first this part is clear to you. These two sides are given to us, and this side we are taking from here equation we have prepared. So these two sides are equal, and this median twice if we make it with this we get this side, twice you make this median we'll get this side. So by side criteria both the triangle will become congruent. Both become congruent means this angle and this angle will become congruent parts of the triangle. Okay, so then these angles will become equal to each other. So that's what we are going to write down now. So first we'll write down given. So what is given was, that is AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to AD upon PM. So this is what given to us. So this we will write down as equation 3. Okay, so this becomes as equation 3. So now from all these three equations, so let us write down AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. Instead of AB, we'll write down CE. Instead of PQ, we'll write down NR. Okay, so from equations 1, 2 and 3, instead of AB upon PQ, we'll write down CE upon NR. Okay, so CE upon NR equal to, this will write down as it is, AC upon PR. AC upon PR. Then this is median. AD upon PM is a median. So AD upon PM. So this will write down 2 times. Let us multiply. So if we are multiplying, then we will get, as I told you. So AD if you are multiplying, AD if we multiply 2 times, then it becomes AE. So then becomes AE upon PN. Okay, now all three sides ratios are equal means, therefore we can say that these two triangles are similar. So with this ratio we can say these two triangles are similar. Okay, so triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN. So if they are similar, how? By side criteria. All three sides we have proved, so they become similar by this criteria. So if they are similar, I told you these two triangles are similar, these angles will become equal. Okay, so we can name it this angle as, here already we have again 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's give this is as a 5, this as a 6, this is a 7, and this is as 8. So then angle 5 will become equal to angle 7. So if they are similar, angle 5 will become equal to angle 7. Okay, now this we consider as equation, this is already we have equation 3. So let's consider this as equation 4. Okay, so similarly, can we prove, so as we have proved this angle equal to this side, so similarly with the same procedure we can prove that angle 6 is equal to angle 8. We don't need to do all the procedure, but you can mention that similarly we can prove that angle 6 is equal to angle 8. So this you can keep it as equation 5. So with angle 4 and 5, with equation 4 and 5, what we get from equation 4 and 5, okay, 4 and 5, what we have, angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to angle 7 plus angle 8. Okay, so together what becomes 5 plus 6? 5 plus 6 becomes angle A, 7 plus 8 becomes angle P. So that means angle A is equal to angle P. So now let us come to the triangle. So now in triangle, okay, what we are supposed to prove is actually these two triangle, right? ABC and PQR. ABC and PQR. So now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now in this two triangle, what are the things we have between these two triangle? We have proved that A is equal to angle P, and we also are given AB upon PQ and then AC upon PR. The ratios are equal, that is already given. So therefore we have side angle side, side angle side. We can say both the triangles are similar. So in order to prove these two triangles, that is angle A is equal to angle P, this much procedure we have done it. So now we can say in this two triangle, angle A is equal to angle P. You can say this is as equation 6. Okay, this you can say from equation 6. And then AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. This is given to us. So then what criteria we have? Side angle side. So you can say by this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side. Okay, this is our answer, hence proved. Okay, this is last line. I have no place, so I have written down here. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.